Alright, so that was Aston Villa fans doing their Leon Bailey chant. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here, ladies and gentlemen. As always, you guys know the support is very much appreciated. You guys also know the YouTube stuff by now. Kindly asking you guys to knock up likes button, subscribe to the channel if you like the content, and also share the content as well. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. You guys see the banner at the end of your screen. Leon Bailey becoming a cult hero at Aston Villa. Firstly, big up to Leon and Aston Villa for qualifying for the Champions League for the first time in over 40 years. So it's a very big deal, and obviously as a Jamaican, we're eagerly anticipating seeing Leon Bailey play Champions League football. Is not every day you see a Jamaican playing in the Champions League, so that is a very big deal. That is a very good look. If he stays at Villa, he'll be playing Champions League football next season, and I don't see him leaving for a club that isn't playing Champions League football unless he's getting a hefty salary to do so, right? Alright, Bailey becoming a cult hero at Aston Villa. Ladies and gentlemen, when you comb through the internet, whether you go on YouTube, Aston Villa's YouTube channel, you look in the comment section, you go on Aston Villa's IG post, you look in the comment section, you go on Twitter and you see what Aston Villa fans are saying about Leon Bailey. Ladies and gentlemen, you realize that he is becoming a cult hero at Aston Villa, and that word or that phrase, cult hero, is what some of the Villa fans are calling him. Literally, they are saying that he is either becoming a cult hero or has become a cult hero. They're actually using that phrase to describe Leon Bailey and what he means to the Aston Villa Football Club. Not bad, given how his Aston Villa career would have started and how it was progressing for some time. But when you look at the comment section now, they rate him highly. By the way, Leon, I make that fly up in the head in the boss, because to the fans can rate you, and tomorrow them can hate you. It was literally just the other day. Aston Villa fans never really had very kind things to say about Leon Bailey. See, but it's a good look. It's a good look to see how highly Aston Villa fans rate him, and how they chant his name, and they're literally calling him a Villa cult hero. And when you really analyze it and you think about it, it's understandable as to why. When you think about it, the reasons for this are kind of evident when you really and truly think about it. For starters, the club is flying. And frankly speaking, when a club is doing well, the fans of the football club, them find every single reason them can possibly find to rate the players. Right, when a football club is winning, especially a club like Villa doing what they're currently doing right now, the fans are going to find every reason on the face of the earth to rate them ballers. And them just are going to see, Aston Villa fans are just going to see their current crop of players in a very positive light, and a much better light than what they've seen previous crop of players. That's just a fact. Another reason is that Leon Bailey is an exciting player to watch, and he excites Villa fans. He's arguably their most exciting player. And you hear Villa fans talk about that, and talk about how anytime he gets on the ball, they anticipate something good is about to happen, whether it's a skill move, whether it's an exceptional pass, whether it's him darting by a player, just something exciting. Leon Bailey is arguably Aston Villa's most exciting player on the ball. Whenever he gets on the ball, things just happen, and you can see why Villa fans are excited by Leon Bailey and his performances and how he plays. And he's arguably their most creative player when you really and truly think about it. Another thing I've noticed that Aston Villa fans keep on talking about is Leon Bailey's quote-unquote coolness. His coolness. From a personal standpoint, them seem to rate the G Especially when you watch interviews with Leon Bailey, them always a talk about like him accent, like them seem to rate him accent and him coolness and just how him move and just how him flex. We as Jamaicans, we have that swagger there, so to speak, for want of a different word. We have that flex there, we have that vibe there, So Villa fans seem to rate Leon Bailey from a personal standpoint as well. So you combine what he does on the pitch and how he move off the pitch, how he move on the pitch, how he move off the pitch. You can see even more why Villa fans think highly of Leon Bailey. And it's a good look. Also, little things like Leon Bailey playing through injury as well. In recent weeks, Leon Bailey has been playing through injury. You can see his left knee is heavily strapped, and sometimes you can even tell that he's in a bit of pain whenever contact is made in that region. Like the Olympiacos second leg, he was visibly, in distress. The Olympiacos player was clearly going for his knee, right? As you say, the Olympiacos player did try to take him out of the game, and for some time it never looked as if Leon was going to be able to continue. But him shrug it off, him tug it out, him tough it out, and went on. Things like that, especially given his injury history and in these important weeks now when Villa really and truly need him, and for them to see him playing through the injury, I think that really, I see Villa fans are talk about that, and that seems to be a really big deal with Villa fans. Little things like his motivational speech during that famous result versus in the Conference League, right, versus Lille. That was a big deal for Villa fans as well. Just his messaging on the pitch and what he was saying, and basically telling the team to calm down, we have time, etc. Basically showing leadership qualities at a very important stage when Villa really needed their players to step up, and really needed someone to step up and lead. And Leon Bailey stepped up and stood up and gave the team a message in that moment that really and truly all of the Villa players needed to hear. So little things like that you see Aston Villa fans talking about on social media, etc. And yeah, Bailey becoming a cult hero at Aston Villa, and is a good look to see a reggae boy thought of so highly at his football club, especially a big football club like Aston Villa. We can only hope that Leon continues to do big things for Aston Villa, and that Villa continue to do big things as well. Hit me up in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. Knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.